Welcome. If you've ever come across an interesting post in a Facebook group and wanted to save it for later, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a group post on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. It's quick, easy, and you'll never lose track of those helpful or inspiring posts again. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you saw the post you want to save. You can do this by clicking on Groups in the left-hand menu, then selecting the group from your list. Now, scroll through the group feed until you find the post you want to keep. It could be a recipe, a helpful tip, an event, or anything else you don't want to lose. Once you've found it, look for the 3 little dots in the top right corner of the post. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on the 3 dots, and a small menu will appear. From here, select the Save option. Facebook will then ask you where you'd like to save this post. You can choose an existing collection, like Favorites or Read Later, or you can create a new collection to keep your saved posts organized. After you've picked the collection that works best for you, simply click Done. That's it. Your chosen post is now safely stored in your saved items, ready for you to revisit anytime you want. To find your saved posts later, just click on Saved in the left menu of your Facebook homepage. There, you'll see all your collections and the posts you've saved, neatly organized and easy to access. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.